How to save TikTok drafts to the gallery without posting. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to save TikTok drafts to the gallery without posting. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Once you land on the home page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section where you can see all your videos, liked content, and also your drafts. Tap on the draft section, and from the list of drafts, select the one you want to save. The draft will open, and at the bottom, you will see different options. Tap on Edit Draft to access the editing page. On this page, tap the arrow icon, which represents the share option. From the menu that appears, tap on Save with Watermark. The video will immediately be saved to your phone gallery with the TikTok watermark included. If you prefer to save the video without a watermark, there is no direct option for drafts. In that case, you will need to post the video first and then save it to your device. Once saved, you can make it private so that nobody else sees it, but you will still have a clean copy without a watermark. That is the only current workaround TikTok allows for saving drafts without posting. Either way, the process is simple and gives you the choice depending on your needs. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to save TikTok drafts to the gallery without posting.